Cancer, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for April 1 to 15, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano kayo makakapag-book. Okay, Cancer, let's see. Anong update? April 1 to 15. So, titignan natin ang energies for you, and then money, career, finances, your love life. Okay, 5 of Swords. Nako, may conflict. Pwedeng may away, misunderstanding. Pwedeng sa pera, may kinalaman sa pera. Oo. But I think mga minor lang, no? Hindi naman ganun kalaking issue or problema itong misunderstanding or conflict na to. But also be aware or be careful sa mga intentions ng tao sa paligid mo. Kasi kung may nararamdaman ka na hindi magandang intentions, then wag mong i-pursue. Oo. So your overall energy for April 1 to 15, 3 of Wands. You are exploring options. You are finally taking action, making things happen. And this is expanding your career, your business. Yung iba may travel opportunities abroad. Pwedeng kayo ay may trabaho dyan, magtatrabaho dyan. What is the 3 of Swords? Queen of Swords. I think ngayon you are more careful in dealing with people, no? Sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Well calculated yung mga actions na gagawin mo. Whether this is pang career, relationship, maingat na maingat ka. Your challenge is the Empress. Kung meron sa inyo rito na buntis, so medyo mag-ingat, no? Extra careful, pangalagaan ang inyong sarili. Baka yung iba kahit buntis, nagtatrabaho pa rin. Syempre, ganun talaga, mahirap ang buhay ngayon, no? Kailangan we will use our resources, pero kailangan you have to take care of yourself pa rin. Yung iba sa inyo may challenge sa productivity ninyo Kasi yung iba, hindi kayo makapag-work ng may kasama. Yung parang may nakikialam, no? Gusto nyo, you are working on your own. Para sarili nyong diskarte. So, your opportunity is the 10 of Pentacles. Wow. This is blessing. Finances, no? Abundance. Pwedeng may inheritance. This is also the legacy na iiwan mo sa family mo. So, I think ngayon, iba sa inyo may naipupundar na bahay, lupa, mga ari-arian properties. 6 of Wands. There's definitely success. Kung yung iba sa inyo nasa content creation or social media or nasa public eye, entertainment, ayan. So, money is coming in sa inyo. Meron dyang kaperahan na parating, and you're also going to be very successful, no? With the Devil card, I see this as may mga temptations sa paligid. Pero syempre with your right judgment, maiiwasan mo yung temptation na yan. Okay? So your blessing is the 4 of Pentacles, financial stability. Financial stability, definitely meron kayo niyan. You have the 9 of Swords. Yun nga lang, pwedeng ma-stress kayo sa pag-handle ng inyong finances ngayong first half ng April. Ito yung tax, no? Accounting, ganyan, or kung paano mo mamamanage yung pera. So, for your money, career, finances, you have the World card as your energy. So, yung iba, may career or business kayo sa ibang bansa or connecting international, no? Ace of Pentacles, new opportunities. May parating na pera, no? Galing rin sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng magpapadala ang inyong person or it's either kayo ang magpapadala sa inyong loved ones. You also have 9 of Wands as your challenge. Oo, yung iba kasi napapagod na sa trabaho. Kakapagod naman talaga eh. Very draining. Pero, meron kayong bigyan nyo ng time sa sarili nyo na makapagpahinga. Knight of Cups. O, go out on a date. Yung iba wala na kayong time for love. Dahil puro money, money, money. So, yung inyong opportunity, you have the Star. This is healing. So, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng physical sickness, no? Or issues sa inyong health, physically, mentally, emotionally. So, ngayong first half ng April, there's definitely healing. You are also focused on your goals and your dreams. With the Hanged Man, maaring kailangan mo pa ng time. Oo, kailangan mo pang maging patient sa mga pangarap mo. Kasi syempre, hindi naman yan mangyayari overnight. Kailangan dyan, e-effortan mo, no? Basta continuous lang ang iyong efforts. So, sa money, career, finances, blessing mo, you have the Chariot. So, definitely, there is success in your career. King of Pentacles, may leadership role, yung iba may promotion sa trabaho, salary increase, yung iba naman may business, no? Business na magiging very successful, that will lead you to financial independence. Sa relationship naman, yung iba, it's either kayo ang nangsustok or kayo ang sinustok. Merong someone na interested sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. Gustong malaman what's going on. Can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Medyo makulit. You have the 3 of Swords as a challenge. Parang iba sa inyo takot pa, no? Kung single ka, tapos merong nagpaparamdam sa'yo. Takot ka pa eh. Oo, very defensive ka with the 7 of Wands and the 3 of Swords. Parang ayaw mo kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo nasaktan talaga in the past. So, naisip nyo na baka ganun ulit yung mangyari. With the Knight of Pentacles and then the 6 of Pentacles, maaring you have the opportunity to meet someone na mas practical, no? Someone na magbibigay sa iyo ng pangangailangan mo. Ito yung tipong hindi siya masyadong masalita, no? More on ang love language niya is to provide your needs, to give you your needs, to help you with your dreams. Mas okay na yan, 'di ba? And your blessing is the Ace of Wands and the 8 of Pentacles. So, possible there is a new relationship emerging. Pwedeng sa trabaho. Katrabaho mo tong person na to. If not, no, kung hindi naman, I think you are more focused muna sa iyong sarili at sa iyong career, sa business mo. Ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon. Kasi nakikita mo na nandun ka mas nag-e-excel. South Node, energy from the past. Ayun na nga. And Libra balance. So, I think merong issue sa relationship mo sa past na kailangan mo munang ayusin. para ready ka for a new relationship. Kasi possible na merong darating na new relationship, new person sa buhay mo na hindi mo napapansin or hindi mo mapapansin dahil sa pag-focus mo pa rin sa past. Release your guilt. Ayan. Kung ano man yung sa tingin mo na meron kang kasalanan, lalo na kung hindi mo naman sinasadya, i-release mo na yon, no? Kasi, syempre, you have to move on, you have to move forward. Lalo na kung nag-sorry ka na or alam mo sa sarili mo na in-acknowledge mo yung pagkakamali mo, move on. Okay? Para ma-release mo yung burden na yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!